Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from financial stress with Quicken, full guide step by step clearly. To recover from financial stress using Quicken, start by downloading and installing the software. Once installed, open Quicken and create an account if you do not already have one. Begin by linking your bank accounts to Quicken. This allows the software to automatically sync your transactions. Review your income and expenses over the past few months. This step helps you understand where your money is going. Create a budget based on your average monthly income and necessary expenses. Categorize your spending to identify areas where you can cut back. Use Quicken's budgeting tool to set limits on each category. Monitor your spending using the dashboard feature. Check this regularly to ensure you remain on track with your budget. Set savings goals within Quicken to help motivate your financial progress. Consider creating an emergency fund that you can track in the software. Review your debts and create a strategy for paying them down. Use the debt reduction planner in Quicken to visualize your repayment strategy. If applicable, consider consolidating or refinancing your debt for better rates. Track your investments within Quicken to monitor growth and performance. Use the reports feature to gain insights into your financial health. Each month, review your financial progress and adjust your budget accordingly. Stay disciplined with your spending habits to maintain financial stability. If you feel overwhelmed, consider seeking advice from a financial professional. Consistency is key to achieving long-term financial recovery with Quicken. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.